Hello! So today I'm going to be doing another unboxing video because I saw that you really liked the other one. It got a ton of views. So today I'm going to be unboxing my third order from Leonisa. That's another company I do direct sales for. They sell clothing and lingerie, especially underwear. So let's hop right in. I opened the box. Already had peeled the sticker, the tape. The first thing that comes out is the bill. Then is this blouse that was a price for the amount of order I did between the last season and this one. I think this. Oh, I'm going to open the blouse because that's mine, so I can do that. Oh. I love the packaging, it's really cute always. And this is a shirt. It's a white blouse, long sleeve. I'm pretty sure it fits me. I'm going to try it on later. Then I have these jeans that are also a price. It came with the shirt. Again, for the amount of order I made between the last campaign and this one. So these are jeans. Look. I hope they fit me because they look nice. They're like straight cut at the bottom. Really classic and dark white skinny jeans. This is a sports shirt that my aunt bought. So it's black and it has this pattern. I don't know if you can see that. I can't open it because it's not mine. And then this is a shirt for working out as well for my aunt. This is actually a dress. It's like a t-shirt dress and it says Believe on the front. My aunt bought some flare boot jeans, so they're pretty similar in colors to mine, but they have flare boots. Then there's this thing that is a bra, and this is a prize for making my third order in a row. So let's check it out. See, it's a basic white bra, and I think I already have this one. And I'm thinking maybe this is not my size. It looks kind of small. It is my size. So yeah, it's this nice bra. I'm going to keep it because you can never have enough white bras. I don't know why, but my white bras always seem to be dirty. I have this soap set. I'm going to pick it because I saw it online and I think it was really cute. Oh my god, this smells amazing. So one soap is in the shape of a heart. The other soaps, I think it's soaps, are roses. And there's this towel in here, and it comes in this really cute box. So yes, I bought this because I saw it online on sale, so I'm going to sell it to someone else, although it smells so good. Oh, let's put that there. Then I have some underwear that I think I ordered for myself, but I don't know if I'm going to keep them or sell them. I'm going to open and show a little. So it has this pattern with the triangles and this really dark color. Then there's these ones and these ones. They're hipsters, so they hold your cheeks really well, so I'm going to consider keeping them. I'm not sure yet. Let's put it back in the bag. And there are 2 lipsticks that I should open, because how are my clients going to see that color? I ordered these also on sale to sell later, so let's check it out. It says High Shine, so this color is peach. It's like really pretty. It smells really good too. And the other one is Rose. Let's try and open that. Wow, this smells even better. So this is the color, really pretty. So I'm going to sell that as well. Oh, under this bag, that is a men like makeup bag, but it comes with deodorant powder, deodorant, and this aftershave lotion. So there's our travel sizes, really nice, that I'm going to have on sale in my Facebook page. So yeah, that's all I got on this order. I'm really excited about my new clothing. I'm going to try it on and hope the jeans fit me. I'm pretty sure the blouse is going to, but when you're so skinny, sometimes clothes are really too big for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. If you are not subscribed already, please do so you don't miss out any of my future videos. Since I'm in vacation already, I'm going to be filming a whole lot and hopefully have enough videos to put out during the entire semester, even when it gets really busy. And yeah, I hope you enjoy my videos, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!